Choosing the right credit card in 2025 can help you earn more, save on interest, and unlock travel or lifestyle perks. Whether you're building credit, managing expenses, or chasing points, here are my top 5 credit cards to consider this year. At number 5 is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. It offers unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases, plus bonus categories and a generous intro APR. With no annual fee and strong reward flexibility, it's perfect for everyday spenders. Number 4 is the Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. You earn 2 miles per dollar on every purchase and can transfer points to travel partners or redeem for flights and hotels. Great for people who want simple, flat-rate rewards without tracking categories. Coming in at number 3 is the American Express Blue Cash Preferred. With 6% cash back at U.S. supermarkets, up to $6,000 per year. And on select streaming services, it's perfect for families and digital natives who spend on food and entertainment. At number 2 is the Discover It R Cashback. It rotates 5% cashback categories every quarter and matches all your cashback at the end of year 1. With no annual fee, it's one of the best beginner-friendly cards with solid rewards. And number 1, the Chase Sapphire Preferred. It's still one of the best all-around cards for travel and dining. You earn 2x points on restaurants and travel, and the points transfer to major airline and hotel partners. The welcome bonus alone is worth several $100s in travel. These cards stand out in 2025 for their rewards, benefits, and flexibility. Just make sure to pick the one that matches your lifestyle and financial goals.